Yes?
Yes.
Okay, great. The subject is recycling helps to protect the environment, stop global warming. After the lesson, we will search the answer for the question, should recycling be compulsory? I don't know how does it work in your country. I don't know how does it work at your houses, at your schools, and we want to find the solution. But firstly, we have got many influences. We can observe many consequences of global warming around us. Firstly, rising water levels, of course, in seas and oceans, rising air temperature, lack of food, lack of water, extinction of animals, and of course different species of animal. We can still limit the efforts of this disaster. How? We can operate every day. We can be active every day. We can segregate rubbish and reduce the consumption of water, of course. Is it clear for now? Yes. So I've got a task because, as you can imagine, the situation for me was difficult. I didn't know about nothing, about your language level, about your engagement, and this lesson is for people from 9 to 14 years old. So let's start. First activity is here on your screens, word wall. Can you find tiger? Hi groups. Here, can we start? Yes, you have got, you need 6 materials, and please find it. Jerzy, can you help me? What wall? No, the wall is here. Is it closed? Can you write what wall? Yes. Pamiętał wall. Linie, tam był number. Can you write this? You can play. I don't know, tam było przygotowane. Write this number. Can I? Yes, and so you can play. Please segregate rubbish. Yes? Come on, let's make it. So let's play. It's a short activity for a warm-up. It's a short activity which I will show you. Hello, my team, lovely team.
Size bir görsel attım.
Nie,
Chcę wyjść
kelime duvarı, word wall.
ale że
Google'da da aratıyorsunuz.
It's quite fast, please. Yes, done it. Yes. So we have got, of course, different things we can recycle.
dobra, 30 sekund mówię. Dobra, jak tu widzę na pewno. Dobra, zostawimy to tak, może będzie. Nie, była myszka, nie?
If somebody wants to go to toilet, done it. Which team? Done it. Done it. Five friends, done it. Five friends, done it. Yes. So, few minutes we are waiting for Turkey team. Done it. Done it. And we'll discuss a little bit. So, students, I know that the question is obvious. What can be recycled? Come on, brainstorm. What can be recycled? Yes, go on. Paper, yes, of course. Lovely. Metal, of course. Glass. Wood. Plastic, definitely. Yes, of course. So you can recycle it at your houses, town, city. You can segregate. Say me something more. Do you recycle? Do you recycle rubbish? At your house, for example. Let's start.
I try as much as I can with my family.
And you also?
Yes, I have 3 different trash cans and I sort every day the trash I throw, plastic, metal and paper.
The question is it recycling obligatory in your country?
No. Not in my opinion, it should be.
Should be, yes, we will discuss about it. And you, what do you recycle? Paper, glass, plastic at your houses? Yes. Is it recycling obligatory in Poland? No, it isn't. It isn't. And you, do you recycle? Yes. Is it recycling obligatory in Latvia? No. Excuse me, Turkey. Is it recycling obligatory in your country? Is it obligatory in your country? Is it recycling obligatory in your country? Students, hi students.
Elnaz, aç mikrofonunu, cevap vermeni istiyor.
I know that the situation is difficult to understand, but everything is just now for working.
Seçil sen cevap ver.
Maybe one student could give us the answer. Okay.
Duymuyorlar.
Okay. So maybe you can give the answer. Is it recycling obligatory in your country?
Beni duymuyorlar. Sesim geliyor mu çocuklar? Tamam, bak şimdi size bir soru sordu, onu cevaplayacaksınız. Sizin şehrinize, geri dönüşüm zorunlu mu diye sordu. Diye sordu, diye cevap vereceksiniz. Evet.
If the microphone is just now isn't working, we are waiting few minutes for the answer. Maybe Mohammed, could you answer because we don't know. Is it obligatory? No. Or yes.
Şimdi soru soracak sana, tamam mı? Size soru soruyor. Ülkenizde geri dönüşüm zorunlu mu değil mi diye cevap vereceksiniz. Bizim ülkemize geri dönüşüm zorunlu mu değil mi? İngilizce cevap vereceksiniz. Anlaşıldı mı?
Okay, we have got some problems with connection. Few minutes maybe it will be for us better. Give them a few minutes. I don't know. And the last one. Is it obligatory in your country? Yes, in Greece.
No.
Because children cannot know as the same in a Polish thing, because we have to understand the fact. If somebody recycles rubbish at house, think that it's obligatory for everyone, for everybody. But exactly the situation is different. Your teacher says that no, that recycling in Greece exactly isn't obligatory. So the situation for us is exactly any in Poland, any in Latvia, any in Romania and Greece and Turkey, recycling isn't obligatory. And this is, it will be our subject of our discussion, but in a few minutes. Together, of course, we can more. Together we can save our planet, and it would be our gist. It would be our purpose, and we should do here everything to promote this idea. For example, after this lesson, we will plant the trees, as you know, as a symbol of fighting with global warming. So I've got the next task, quite funny. I'd like to share with British Council material. British Council, of course, it's a big institution which promotes English language. And can you check here on your screens and find British Council game? Probably it should be prepared before. So you can write British Council for Kids. British Council for Kids, games. Games. We had everything prepared before. Clean and green, I will have it. And you can play this game, and you can play, and green, have you got clean and green? You can play. I will find you. Yeah, you can play. You can play. No. So this is quite easy game. Easy game from British Council. Yes, this was the first one. And just now, British Council. Yes, second In this lesson, yeah, done it? Yes, thank you, done it. So, who usually, the question is, who usually segregate rubbish from the room? Me. Who usually segregate rubbish in the room? Come on. Do you segregate rubbish? Okay. I think 2 minutes and let's skip to another exercise, Jump. So, yeah, thank you. My students, please attention. Hello, my students. It's time for another activity. We have got the text. Recycling should be compulsory. Do you agree? I would like to ask you for the discussion point. So, let's read this text, which you are exactly familiar with because you've read it, yes, on the tablet. But I want to also remind you what is it inside, and we have got questions inside on the second page. Why do people produce more rubbish now? Why don't people recycle? Is it recycling compulsory in all cities in Britain? Do you agree with the title? Should recycling be compulsory? What I want to focus on is the fact that in Switzerland, people pay for each bag of rubbish. And it's quite an interesting idea because the result is that they throw away less rubbish. Consequently, people recycle more and more and more. The Swiss recycle 90% of their glass waste. So please, this text, 3 minutes for preparations, and after that we will discuss about the question. So please, this text, yeah. The text is in the context, yes? The text Oyuna girebildiniz mi? Few minutes. Are you ready? So, because I can see that teams are ready, I would like to give you the voice as a first team. Please try to answer the questions. Yeah, this one. Can you read the question and can you give the answer?
Why do people produce more rubbish now? Because we need more vacuum.
Yes, of course, because of the consequences. The next one, please.
Why don't people recycle? Because they are so lazy.
Yes, listen to me. Why don't people recycle? Because they are too lazy. Unfortunately, not people. Recycle.
Is recycling compulsory in all cities in the state? No, it is.
No, it is.
But you some.
Yeah.
So you agree with the cycle? Yes, I do.
What do you think about recycling in the context? Should it be obligatory or not? Maybe the teachers also can take part in our discussion. Would like to start? Who exactly agrees with the statement about this article? Me and you? Should be recycled? Should be recycling obligatory? So hands up, hands up. Children, I know that you are a little bit tired. What do you think? Should be recycling obligatory or not?
Yes, it should, because we must protect our planet.
Yes, we have to protect our planet. What else?
Because
Yes, we can stop global warming, definitely. What else? What do you think? We can say any more? Yes, we have got on the tables many of necessary words as, for example, alternative energy, also pollution, global warming. If somebody wants to rely on new vocabulary, but also we can stop deforestation, yes. Which is also quite important problem, and stop different exactly things which are harmful for our planet. So students, who would like to add something more to this text? So just now, I would like to make a list. Hi students, please attention, alright? Please make the list just now as a team. The list of priorities. Why recycling is important. You have got also here a list of different tips of different issues which can be very helpful for you. If you look around or in this classroom, you can find very important also tips which can help you. For example, here, that for example recycled containers should be obligatory, that it prevents the emissions of greenhouse gases, and of course we should save water. So you have got a clean paper or papers. 3 minutes for you to make a list of priorities. Why should people recycle? Make the list, by my team, make the list just now of priorities of recycling. Robimy listę, proszę się skupić, lista priorytetów, dlaczego recycling jest ważny, tak? Macie listę, może Wam, you can use the internet of course if you want to help you.
Co powinniśmy robić, żeby
So please take 5 issues, 5 teams, 7 teams, up to you. You can use 3 to 5 minutes for preparation. Make the list. Make the list. You can use the internet. Zróbcie listę, zdjęcie zabroniego znajomego z wymianka. Is I would like one more reminder question. Why recycling is important? Make a list of priorities. Make a list. You can use the internet, of course. Great job. We can also make a list of things. How can we help our environment? How can you read the question also? How can we, Victor, please write the question. How, please write the question. How can we help our planet? It would be easier. How can we help our planet? So we have got two questions. Why recycling is important, and second question is how can we help our planet, our environment? Teachers can help our students. Martin, have you got any comments? Questions? Why recycling is important? And the second one, how can we help our environment? Yes, you will present. Each day, you will present the answer. I want to repeat questions. First question. Why recycling is important? Why recycling is important? Second question. How can we help our planet, the environment? But it would be easier. How can we help our planet? Make a list of things which can be. You can use the questions are really good. I know. Ready? Two minutes for ending the task. Okay, thank you. Let's start. Zoom up. I know that maybe not everybody is ready, but the situation is difficult. First of all, I would like to ask the Turkish team to come on the answer. Hi, Polish team. Yeah. Go on. Can they present this?
Listenizi söyleyebilirsiniz.
Liste. Herkes birer tane şey koyacak.
It's quite weak speakers. Please everybody attention. Please everybody attention. First of all, Turkish team. Firstly, maybe Polish. Let's start. Daniel, why recycling is important? Please attention for a few minutes. Daniel, why recycling is important? In your opinion, what is?
In my opinion, recycling is important because
Can you stand up? Maybe it would be. Okay, Daniel. Yes. Please read.
recycling is important because in few years ice caps can melt.
Yes. Any more issues?
Nie.
No. And you? Have you got issues? Yes. Go on.
Two ways to recycle. One, use other chemicals than car or other chemicals that pollute. And stop using plastic plates and start using other ones.
Oh, great job. Fantastic. Let's go. And ideas? Save water, yes. Yes, using less plastic. Yes, have Yes, I don't.
Because we save energy.
Yes, save energy. Yes, great. Oh, we have got connection. Any more issues?
Save the planet.
Yes, definitely. Save the planet. Our team. Come on. Have you got issues? Can I ask for silence? Because it helps. Maybe I will read the Greeks the issues because it helps the planet to clear more than last times. Because to help our planet to save energy. Okay, we have got another question. Can I ask Romanian team for the answer? What can we do for our planet? What can we do? We know that we can plant the trees. Yeah, come on, what can we do? One moment. Hydrogen team, can I ask about silence? Because we have got a confusion. One moment. The situation is difficult, as you can imagine, for me, for our students, also for Turkish team, because of different obstacles. And we have to cope with these problems. Turkish team, can I ask everyone for silence? Because we have got the conclusion of our lesson. I would like to remind the question, should be recycling obligatory? And I would like to finish this meeting with the conclusion of students. Can you read it?
Use the plastic production for a safer future for us and the future people.
Oh, wonderful. It's fantastic sentence. Can you read them one again? Please, everyone, concentrate on this statement.
Reduce the plastic production for a safer future for us and for the future people.
Plastic is a terrible and harmful thing. Hybrid people. Why also? What should we do? Yes, Can we ask for the silence?
Those people who have trees made papers.
Yes, we shouldn't cut a lot of trees. Definitely, we should plant them more because the trees reduce greenhouse effect. What else? Have you got any impressions? Definitely conclusion of, because I can see what exactly they have written on the paper is that we should save energy, should save water, should use long-lasting bulbs, of course, and of course switch off water and switch off light. What more?
And we can leave the car and to use the bicycle.
Yes, of course, we should reduce cars and we should use bicycle and we feel more fit, of course. What's more? Have you got any ideas? Maybe Latvian team, what also should we do?
Maybe instead of using plastic, we should move on to glass.
Yeah, I love it. I love glass bottles, not plastic. What do you think, Polish team, Daniel?
We can use less packing.
Could you repeat?
We can use less packing.
Less packing, yes. For example, use lunch boxes instead of many of plastic bags and bags. So the conclusion of our lesson is quite clear. We should be eco-friendly. You are the future. You are the future of our planet. You should a lot of things to protect the environment, to protect our planet. You should live a very eco, and you have to promote this idea at your houses, in your families, in your countries. So thank you very much for this.
Sorry.
Yes.
In Greece, I don't know what happens to other countries. Everyone, when you come to Greece, you will see people having a plastic glass with coffee. From the morning till late at night, everyone drinks coffee, and they think of make us pay more expensive the coffee when we buy the plastic. So that we have to go to the coffee shop with our own glass or metal
Or
glass
maybe
to avoid all this.
we also should be quite more maybe.
I don't. We are trying to stop this and take bamboo,
Yes, it's time.
plastic, metal, whatever plastic. Reduce plastic every day.
Yes, we should. You should be quite more eco-friendly. I know that you are, but your role is to promote this idea. Thank you so much for this lesson. I know that it was a little bit complicated for everybody. I know that you are a little bit tired after the trip, but I would like to thank you, all